Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to make money with Outlier AI. Making money with Outlier AI is basically about doing paid work that helps train and improve AI systems. It is not a passive income app. You actually get paid for completing tasks like writing, evaluating, or reviewing AI responses. First, go to the Outlier website and create your account. You will need to enter your email, basic details, and complete your profile setup. Now verify your identity and sometimes your phone number. This step is important because Outlier only accepts real users for paid work. Then complete the skill assessment or onboarding test. This may include writing tasks, rating AI answers, or simple logic questions, depending on your category. Once approved, you will start getting access to projects inside your dashboard. Now open the available tasks section and choose a project you qualify for. These tasks can include things like rating AI responses, improving text, checking accuracy, or labeling data. After that, read the instructions carefully for each task because every project has specific rules. Following instructions correctly is important if you want to keep getting work. Now start completing tasks one by one. You will usually get paid per task or per hour depending on the project. Next, track your earnings inside your dashboard. Outlier typically pays weekly through payment methods like PayPal, Airtime, or bank transfer depending on your region. Now keep improving your quality score. If your work is accurate and consistent, you will get more and higher paying projects over time. You can also work flexible hours, so you choose when to log in and how much work you want to do. And that's how you can make money with Outlier AI, by completing AI training tasks and getting paid for your contributions. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.